Imagine someone giving you free USDT every day. Yes, free money every day, but he requires something little from you, which is go to his website and be checking in daily. Just one click, and you are not doing that consistently. Now tell me, how do you expect to get paid? How do you expect to earn that USDT for free? Like I said on my previous video, EFSANE project is not for everyone. EFSANE project is only interested in active users only. I'm reminding you once again that you need to be checking in every single day to accumulate your red gems, which will be converted into USDT. Just one click, pass like that. I will make another withdrawal right now, so watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any information. You will get to see how the withdrawal works, how to swap your red gems into USDT, and how to withdraw your USDT. That's it. If you haven't registered already, you can do that for free. All you have to do is to go to the comment section and comment go. Just type go and I will send the link directly to you. So let's dive into it. But before that, please like this video, follow and subscribe. Have you done that? You sure? Thanks. Please don't forget, another way to earn a lot from this project is by inviting your friends. Yes, so when you invite your friends, you accumulate more red gems from the commission. So all you have to do now is to go to the comment section and drop your invite links. Drop as many as possible so that newbies can use it to join. No be everything I go tell you. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe.